Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just gonna show you how to check batteries if you don't already know, but if you do, stay tuned. Okay, let me set them up. Okay, now so we have the red on the positive and the black on the negative, and we've got 1 volt DC. It says on here what does it say, 1.5 volts it should be. This battery's good. On to the next one. Okay, here we have this 9 volt battery, red on positive, black on negative, 8.9 volts direct current. That's a good battery. Okay, here we go, we have another one set up, red on positive and the black on negative. Okay, we have 1.6 volts DC, black on negative, red on positive. And it says here 1.5 volts. Okay, on to the AA battery. Okay, the AA battery is giving me a bit of trouble, dancing all over the place. Alright, should be about 1.6. It's 1.1, so this is kind of a weak battery. Ideally I want about 1.6 volts direct current. Okay, now on to the AAA. AAA is doing well. This one is 1.5 volts, so doing good. So I hope that's helped you if you didn't already know how to check the power in batteries. Okay, until next time, bye.